Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your body hair using wax strips. If you're not comfortable watching body hair being pulled, then this video is not for you. You may click away and watch some other videos. If you're looking for body hair removal methods and you want to try waxing, then this is the video for you. So I will show you how to do waxing using the strips from Veet. So this product can be used by yourself at home and it is very convenient. So if you have a very tight working schedule and you don't have any time to go to the parlor to your hair removal, then this one is a very good option. So you can use this strip to remove most of your body hair. However, if you want to wax your back, then you will need some help. You cannot do it by yourself. I usually use it for hands and legs and underarms. So the wax strip come in different types. So I have two boxes. One is for dry skin and the other one is for normal skin. I usually use the one for normal skin. And sometimes I use the dry skin one for winter. So let me show you what's written on the packaging of the wax strips for normal skin. So it says that the wax strips can instantly exfoliate skin and also make it smooth. That can last up to 4 weeks. Also, there are 4 steps shown. First, we peel the strip and then we apply it on the area. And after that, we pull the strip in the opposite direction and we clean it up with the finish wipe. Also, there are some precautions which we need to read very carefully. So these wax strips are not suitable for head, face, eyes, nose, ears, and around genitals. So in each pack, there are 20 wax strips and 4 perfect finish wipes. So let me show you how does the wax strip look like. And this one is the perfect finish wipe. So now let me show you the pack for the dry skin. It also has 20 wax strips with 4 perfect finish wipes. It has similar information as the one for the regular hair. Also, if we use these wax strips regularly, we'll get finer, fewer and softer hairs that are growing back. So the steps for using these wax strips are the same. There are 4 steps. Before using these wax strips, we have to make sure our skin is dry and free of any other products like creams. Also, we need to leave 72 hours between each hair removal sessions. So let me show you the wax strip for dry skin. Before starting to wax, we have to make sure our hand is dry and there is no product on our hand, such as cream or any oil. Then we can take out the wax strips. So there are 2 strips stuck together. We can rub the strips in between our palms to make the wax warmer. This action will make it easier for us to peel the wax strip. At the same time, it will work much better. So when you think the strips are warm enough, you can stop and then you can separate the 2 strips. So both of the strips can be used to remove hair. So now I'll use one of the strip and put it on my hand, following the direction of the hair growth. We can rub the strip against our hands to make sure that all the hairs will be stuck to the wax. And then we will start pulling the wax strip from the edge in the opposite direction of the hair growth. There are some bits of wax stuck on the hand, but this one can be removed later on. So I will use the same strip and then put it on a different part of my hand, following the hair growth at that part. And then rub it towards the hair growth to make it warmer and make sure all these hairs are stuck on the wax. After that, we can again pull the edge of the strip in the opposite direction of the hair growth. I will use the same strip on the back of my hand to remove the hair. One strip can be used 2 to 3 times depending on the amount of hair you have and also how long is the hair. If I see that the wax strip has a lot of hair, then I will stop using that one because it will not be easy for that wax strip to take out more hair. After you finish waxing, then you can use the Perfect Finish wipe. This wipe will help to remove any excess wax that has been left on your hand. But there are only 4 wipes in each pack, so it is not enough. So other times after I run out of the Perfect Finish wipe, I use some oils such as coconut oil or baby oil after I finish waxing. These oil can also help to remove the wax that has been left on the skin. So some part of our skin may look a little bit reddish, but this will disappear with time. Also, we should avoid direct sunlight right after waxing. So using these wax strips are quite easy, and as you get used to the process, it becomes more faster. So at the beginning, you may need some time to learn how to pull it, but after you get the hang of it, then it's very convenient. Also, if it's your first time to wax, then you will feel some pain because the roots are a bit stronger at first, but after continuous use, then the pain starts to get less, or you just get used to it. I like using wax strips because it leaves a very smooth skin. So normally I do it once every 2 weeks. It really depends on your hair growth. Sometimes you may need to do it once every week, so it depends. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching. Bye.